Good morning, folks. My name is Tameron here from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. First of all, thank you so much for showing interest in the beautiful 2019 Hyundai Sonata. Definitely one of the more popular vehicles here on our lot. As you can see, we have several color options and trim options to choose from. I got one pulled up right behind me that I'm excited to show you. Here in the front, folks, a beautiful cascading grille. You get the center line, the emblem, LED wraparound headlights, daytime running lights, premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires. We got blind spot detection on the mirror. Let's take a look at the inside. On the inside, a beautiful cloth interior with a 7-inch touchscreen display that comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Of course, you got your drive mode select, and your cruise control and several other safety and technology features are in this vehicle. But the best part here about our vehicles are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. But here at Tameron, we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles, folks, on the powertrain warranty. Please give me a call back when you get this message. Let's schedule time for you to come on in, test drive these beautiful vehicles with us, and work towards earning your business. My cell phone is 703-505-1598. Again, I'm Citron, Tameron Hyundai. You're gonna like the way you're treated.